Indra. I am CEO and founder of Beta Unmanned Aircraft Solutions. So we are local drone manufacturers, and today I want to share a little bit about our collaborations and our solutions with IBM for asset management. So we are based in Bandung since 2016. So it's already 8 years now. We are focusing in manufacturing local drones, local commercial drones for example, for visual drone mapping, inspection, surveillance, agriculture, or anything. So all the founders come from aerospace engineering of ITB, and one of our director is also the founder of the biggest drone association in Indonesia, and we also have several experts working with us from outside of Beta. Oh, so this is not the latest slide, but today drone have already been used in so many sectors. And in the futures, with the development of technology and AI, I think the use case of drones will only continue to grow. This is one of the use case for our drones. We help mapping the landslide disasters in Bandung several months ago. So using our drones, commercial drones like this, we can cover up to 300 hectares in a single flight. Unlike DJI, that can only cover maybe a maximum of 5 hectares in a single flight. And our fixed wing drones can fly with a vertical takeoff and landing, so it doesn't need a big open wide area to operate. For example, in these conditions, we can only fly from atop of a civilian house because there are no other open areas to fly the drones. And in 15 minutes of flight, we can cover the whole area. Okay, so that's one of the use case. This is several of our products. For 8 years operating, we've actually developed over 18 drone configurations. We have Ray-B for mapping, Omni-B for surveillance, Iris for multi-purpose missions, Lias for inspections, Veya for spraying agricultures and speeders, and we can also build our customers custom drones. So our drones is fully customizable. We can, based on our customer mission requirements, we can provide several drone configurations. We can provide several payload options. And the data link, and in this collaborations, we collaborate with IBM using IBM Maximo for computer visions. So this is the problems for some challenges for asset management in big industries like mining and oil and gas. I think Amtis has already mentioned some of the problems before. Can you imagine in a big industries like mining, they need to cover cover big areas and so many assets to inspect, and a single failure of a single failure can result in billions rupiah of loss. So using our drones that can fly, that can operate fully autonomous, we just need to input the schedule and the route. It can visually inspect the asset, and using real time, we can also process the visual data in real time using IBM Maximo, or also after the drone land. And the benefit using IBM Maximo, we can train the AI based on our data that we collect. So for example, for this power line inspections. So with drones and AI, the asset management can be easier and more safe to do. This is several use cases for our drones other than for asset management. We can do aerial surveillance for pipeline in oil and gas industries. We also do aerial mapping. For example, during Semeru Mountain eruptions in 2021, we cover 1,000 hectares in a single day operations. And we also can do aerial inspection for example, for hard to reach asset like this, yeah, for power line and for power line for PLN. And in agriculture, other than spraying pesticide, we can also do plant health monitoring and yield prediction using our drones. And we can also do emergency delivery. For example, this one we do to send a blood sample from a puskesmas in Waduk Jatiluhur. So this is some of our success story. Our drones have been used mostly in mining industries. For example, PT Timah, Adaro, and also our drones has already been used by PUPR and BNPB. We also have several collaborations that have witnessed by Pak Jokowi and Pak Prabowo, for example, with Pindad and PT Pos. So that is from Beta Unmanned Aircraft Solutions. Drone is only a vehicle. The use case and the applications depends on the system and the payload that we carry with the drones. So at Beta, we always open to collaborate. Thank you.